Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about prepositions. What are prepositions? Prepositions are words used to link nouns with other words in sentences. For example, I like to sit in the library. Here, in is preposition. We are waiting at a bus stop. Here, at is preposition. Prepositions are of three types: prepositions of position, prepositions of place, and prepositions of time. Let's learn in detail. Prepositions of position. Words such as in, on, beside, behind, in front of, under, between, over, above, and near can be used to describe the position of a person, place, or a thing in relation to another. When used like this, they are called prepositions of position. For example, don't stand in front of the TV. Here, in front of is preposition of position. They are sitting under a shady tree. Here, under is preposition of position. Prepositions of place. Words such as on, in, and at can be used to describe where a person, place, or thing is located. When used like this, they are called prepositions of place. For example, the bird is sitting on the roof. Here, on is preposition of place. My father is reading newspaper at home. Here, at is preposition of place. Prepositions of time. When words such as in, at, on, for, from, and since are used to tell us when something happened, then they are called prepositions of time. For example, I wake up at 6 o'clock every day. Here, at is preposition of time. The party ended at midnight. Here, at is preposition of time. Let's understand the use of prepositions of time on, in, at, for, from, since in detail. On is preposition of time which is used before days and dates. It is used with particular day or date. For example, on my birthday, on Tuesday. It depicts point of time. In is preposition of time which is used before a year, a season, a month, or a part of the day. It shows period of time. For example, in 2020, in November. It depicts period of time. At is preposition of time which is used for a specific time. For example, at 10 o'clock, at dinner time. For is preposition of time which is used to show duration. For example, for 6 hours, for a day. From is preposition of time which is used between 2 points in time. For example, from 2003 to 2017, from morning to evening. Since is preposition of time which is used when an action had begun at a particular time and is still going on. For example, since last Friday, since yesterday. Thank you for active listening.